I am clearly doing this video right after I did my last video that you guys saw because I look exactly the same. But Crystal made me change my shirt even though same makeup, different shirt.
People won't know.
So, I'm gonna talk to you guys about my 5 favorites. I'm gonna go over my skincare must-haves, and that's what we're gonna do.
What is your skin type?
That's a good question. So I'm combination, sometimes dehydrated. I will start with when I wash my face, morning or night. I've been very into toners because I had been breaking out and I was worried that I wasn't getting my makeup off or something like well enough, or I don't know. I've been using this Kiehl's Ultra Facial, this is so fuzzy, it's like everywhere. The Ultra Facial Toner, and it doesn't have alcohol in it, so it doesn't strip the skin. I do not like, even if you have oily skin, I don't like toners with alcohol because it can dry your skin out, and if you have really dry skin, you can actually break out from that as well. I'm like a 12-year-old boy who's going through puberty with my voice. But yeah, this is great because it's very hydrating and your skin just feels good. It doesn't feel tight, so after you've washed your face, if you use this, it's very fresh skin. During the day, I use this serum, also by Kiehl's. I really like Kiehl's. It's the Hydro Plumping Retexturizing Serum Concentrate. I like this because it smooths out the fine lines. It like plumps the skin, and so your makeup doesn't really, it glides on a lot better, and it doesn't, you don't get smile lines as easily throughout the day if you use this. So after I've done the serum, I go in with my Goldfaden, gold member, Austin Powers. The Goldfaden MD, this is amazing. This is good for dark circles, and then it like brightens the eyes. The problem, tired eyes. I do get very tired eyes, and I usually have like a lot of dark circles. I have a lot of dark circles under my one eyeball. Multiple dark circles just under, it makes no sense. Then, this is my all-time favorite thing ever. I'm almost out of it. It's by Roses and Rosé. I talk about this brand a lot. It's kind of like an indie local cosmetic skincare line. The girl who started it lives in San Diego and she's amazing. She was on my channel, Shantae. So this is her liquid filler, and it's a moisturizing gel cream, and I actually use this on all of my clients as well. It also fills in, it plumps the skin and it fills in the fine lines and wrinkles, and it smells really good. But it's a really good moisturizer and primer almost. It's a gel consistency, so it's not too heavy, but it definitely feels like you are moisturizing your skin. And then also by Roses and Rosé, last but not least, this is the Total Reset. I just got this. They just came out with it. It's a retinol and vitamin C serum. My birthday's coming up next month, and so I'm aging, and I got scared. So I bought my first retinol cream, which is this, and I love that it's vitamin C is in it because it brightens the skin, it evens the skin tone, and it helps prevent aging. I did it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. I actually thank you guys. I'm very appreciative of the views. So I'm not just talking to myself or Crystal. But like, comment, subscribe. That's all I got. That's all, folks. Goodbye.